இல்லாத வாழ்க்கை யாரால தான் நினைச்சு பார்க்க முடியும் சொல்லுங்க? அத கடந்து வந்த என்னால தான் உணர முடியும். ஆனா ஒண்ணு மட்டுங்க, என் வாழ்க்கையில மிராக்கல் கொண்டு வந்ததே மிராக்கல் அட்வான்ஸ்ட் ரீப்ரொடக்டிவ் சென்டர் தாங்க.
என் குடும்பமே இன்னைக்கு சந்தோஷமா இருக்குன்னா அதுக்கு காரணம் மிராக்கல் தான்.
Miracle Advanced Reproductive Center, number 450, 2nd and 3rd floor, Poonamallee High Road, Kilpauk, Chennai.
Hi, I'm Dr. P.S.R. Murthy, Scientific Director, Miracle Advanced Reproductive Center. Today, I would like to discuss about pre-implantation genetic screening. This screening test is usually done for the patient who has got repeated miscarriages. So, you would have heard she is able to get pregnancy but it's not able to continue maybe for about 6 to 8 weeks and she ends up with miscarriage, abortion. So if a lady has got like this at least 2 or 3 times, then we can think of taking her into our program in which we go for IVF treatment. This usually starts on day 2 of the cycle. We give the hormone injections and periodical scan is done to make sure the follicles are growing very well. Once when the follicles are ripe enough, we collect those eggs, fertilize them by using Intra cytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. And the resulting embryo, we monitor them very closely. Every day we just see how they are growing. Once when the embryo has grown to about 200 cells, which is called blastocyst stage. From this 200 cells, we can harvest about 4 to 6 cells and send it for testing. In this, basically what we test is whether the chromosomes are normal in number. If there is anything wrong with the chromosomes, then this particular embryo could be genetically wrong and this can induce in repeated miscarriages. That was happening in the past. So here at least we have made the embryo, we have tested the embryo, and when the results have come out that this particular embryo is perfectly normal, free from all these chromosome problems, then we can transfer this embryo. This will go for pregnancy till the term. So this is one of the best methods where we can select the normal embryo from so-called abnormal embryos caused by genetically. This is one of the best screening tests which we are doing it regularly. Similarly, if a couple has got some syndrome baby, you would have heard like Down syndrome, something like that, some genetic disorders are there and they have got a child and now they want to make one more baby and they are thinking, okay, how to go about whether we will get a similar baby or how to prevent that. So when this couple comes to us, we can offer them a similar treatment where instead of just screening test done for the embryo, we can pinpoint and see the defect of the embryo. See, for example, if the couple has got some genetic problem, the same problem can be looked for this embryo. So thereby we can eliminate that. So like that some syndrome babies are there which we can apply in this procedure, what we call pre-implantation genetic diagnosis. So this is normally done for a couple who has got a baby who has got some genetic disorder or something like that. So to prevent that, we can apply this. Or if any one of the couple, either male or female, has got some chromosome problem, we can rule out by testing. So that's why this we call it as diagnosis. We have already diagnosed in one of the couples and the same thing is applied on this embryo to rule out whether this embryo has got that defect. If we know that it is defective embryo, then we need not transfer that. So thereby we can rectify and pick and choose the normal healthy embryos, transfer them. So thereby we get good implantation, pregnancy will carry on uneventful up to the term and delivery will take place. So this is what the Miracle is offering, and I think the couples who has got miscarriages in the past, please do not worry. There is a treatment whereby we can select the best embryo and transfer them. Thereby you are likely to get good pregnancy and it can carry on up to the delivery and everything takes place well. So I think we can make use of this genetic screening and genetic diagnosis. All these facilities are available in Miracle, so you must try if you have got any complaints like this. Thank you.